The JBL MS6520B Marine speakers are expertly designed to withstand harsh marine environments, ensuring durability against sun exposure, sea spray, and rigorous cleaning. Featuring +1 woofers and balanced dome tweeters, these speakers deliver exceptional audio clarity, allowing you to enjoy your music even amidst the noisy ocean waves. With waterproof motor structures, one-piece cast-polymer baskets, and sealed magnets, these speakers are built to last and provide consistent performance in wet conditions. The polypropylene cones offer a larger speaker cone area compared to others in its class, resulting in enhanced sound quality and coverage. Balanced dome tweeters in these speakers ensure smooth, high-frequency response and improved power handling, delivering lifelike sound with crisp highs and mids. The included 50-foot Enrock 16-gauge speaker wire simplifies installation and ensures pure, high-quality sound transmission from your audio source.